Have you ever looked in the mirror and just wondered, what am I really made of? I mean, beyond the skin, the bones, the stuff we see. What are the fundamental building blocks that make up a human being? It sounds like a simple question, but the answer is incredibly complex and absolutely fascinating. Today, we're going on a journey deep inside ourselves, from the largest systems down to the tiniest particles, to uncover the secrets of what makes us, us. Let's start with the big picture. From a biological perspective, you are a collection of organ systems. Think of it like a highly organized company. You've got the skeletal system, your body's framework, providing support and protection. Then there's the muscular system, which allows you to move, lift, and even smile. The nervous system, with the brain as its CEO, is the command center, sending and receiving signals that control everything you do, think, and feel. Your circulatory system, with the heart as a tireless pump, is the delivery network, transporting oxygen and nutrients everywhere they need to go. We also have the respiratory system for breathing, the digestive system for processing food into energy, the endocrine system for regulating hormones, and the immune system, our very own security force fighting off invaders. All these systems work in perfect harmony, a symphony of life that runs 24/7, without you even having to think about it. It's a masterpiece of biological engineering. But what are these systems made of? If we zoom in, we find they're all composed of organs: the heart, lungs, liver, brain. Each is a specialized tool with a specific job. And what are organs made of? Tissues. You have muscle tissue for contraction, nervous tissue for communication, connective tissue to hold everything together, and epithelial tissue to cover and protect. It's like we're building a house, starting with the finished rooms and working our way down to the individual bricks and mortar. So, what are tissues made of? This is where we get to the fundamental unit of life, the cell. Your body is home to an estimated 37 trillion cells. That's trillion with a T. It's a number so vast it's hard to even comprehend. And these aren't just 37 trillion identical blobs. We have over 200 different types of cells, each one a specialist. There are neurons that transmit electrical signals, red blood cells that carry oxygen, and skin cells that form a protective barrier. Each cell is like a tiny, bustling city with its own power plant, transportation system, and command center, the nucleus, which holds our genetic blueprint, our DNA. This intricate dance of trillions of cells is what keeps you alive and functioning. Now, let's go even deeper. What are these cells, these microscopic cities, actually made of? We're entering the world of chemistry now. The vast majority of your body, about 60 to 65%, is just water. Yes, you are essentially a walking, talking container of H2O. Water is crucial for almost every process in your body, from regulating temperature to transporting nutrients. But it's not just water. The rest is made up of organic molecules, which are the molecules of life. The four main types are proteins, lipids, which are fats, carbohydrates, and nucleic acids. Proteins are the workhorses. They're like the tiny machines that do everything. They build structures, speed up chemical reactions, and carry signals. Your muscles, your hair, your enzymes. They're all made of proteins. Carbohydrates are your primary energy source. When you eat bread or pasta, your body breaks it down into sugars like glucose to fuel your cells. Lipids, or fats, are also a vital energy source, but they do more than that. They form cell membranes, insulate your body, and protect your organs. And finally, nucleic acids, like the famous DNA and RNA. These molecules are the architects and project managers of life. DNA holds the master blueprint for building and running your entire body, and RNA helps carry out those instructions. So, to recap so far, we're made of systems, which are made of organs, made of tissues, made of cells, which are primarily water and a mix of proteins, fats, carbs, and nucleic acids. We're getting down to the nitty-gritty, but we can go even smaller. What are these molecules made of? The answer is atoms, the fundamental building blocks of all matter. And when you look at the human body on an atomic level, the results are surprisingly simple. About 99% of your body is made up of just 6 elements. The undisputed champion is oxygen, making up about 65% of your body mass. Most of it is bound up in that water we talked about. Next is carbon, at around 18.5%. Carbon is the backbone of all those organic molecules, the proteins, fats, and carbs. It's the versatile Lego brick of life. Then comes hydrogen, at about 9.5%, also a key component of water and organic molecules. After that is nitrogen, at 3.2%, which is a crucial part of proteins and nucleic acids. And finally, we have calcium and phosphorus, which together make up about 2.5%, mostly found in your bones and teeth, giving them their strength. So, 6 elements make up 99% of you: oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, calcium, and phosphorus. The remaining 1% is a fascinating collection of trace elements. Things like potassium, sulfur, sodium, chlorine, and magnesium are vital for nerve function and fluid balance. And then there are the ultra-trace elements, present in tiny, tiny amounts, but still essential. We're talking about iron, which is crucial for carrying oxygen in your blood, and zinc, iodine, and selenium, which are vital for various enzymes and hormones. It is amazing to think that a few milligrams of an element can be the difference between health and disease. It's almost poetic, isn't it? We are made of the same stuff as the stars. Every carbon atom in your body was forged in the heart of a dying star billions of years ago. Every atom of oxygen you breathe was created in a stellar furnace. We are, quite literally, stardust. Carl Sagan famously said, "The cosmos is within us. We are made of star stuff. We are a way for the universe to know itself." When you think about it that way, it gives you a profound sense of connection to everything around you, to the entire universe. But is that the whole story? Are we just a collection of atoms, a complex chemical reaction? This is where science meets philosophy. Beyond the physical components, there's a whole other dimension to what makes a human being. We are made of thoughts, memories, and emotions. We are made of dreams, hopes, and fears. We are shaped by our experiences, our relationships, and our culture. You have a consciousness, a sense of self, an awareness that you are you. Where does that come from? Science is still grappling with this question. We know that consciousness is related to the complex firing of neurons in our brain, but the how and why remain one of the biggest mysteries. Think about it. Your personality, your sense of humor, your love for a certain type of music or a specific person, these things can't be found on the periodic table. They are emergent properties of this incredibly complex system. They are the music that the orchestra of your cells and atoms plays. We are also made of stories. The stories we tell ourselves, the stories our families tell us, the stories our societies create. These narratives shape our identity and our understanding of the world. Each of us is a unique, unrepeatable story in the grand library of humanity. So, what is a human being made of? We are a miracle of biology, a complex arrangement of organ systems, tissues, and trillions of cells. We are a marvel of chemistry, a precise cocktail of water, organic molecules, and elements forged in the hearts of stars. And we are a mystery of consciousness, a tapestry woven from thoughts, feelings, memories, and stories. We are both incredibly simple in our elemental makeup and infinitely complex in our expression of life. We are physical, and we are something more. The next time you look in the mirror, remember the incredible journey from stardust to the thinking, feeling, wondering person looking back at you. It's the most amazing story in the universe, and it's your story. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into ourselves. If you found this as mind-blowing as I do, hit that like button and subscribe for more journeys into the wonders of science and life. See you next time.